class, Dr. Colson here again, just to give you a weekly update about what happened last week. There's a couple things I want you to look at. If you look at your screen that I'm sharing with you right now, you'll see this is what it looked like when you presented to go into the Introduce Yourself presentation. Kind of back out just a minute real quick. And well, maybe I won't. So when you click on that link, let's see if it'll let me. Maybe not. Yes, okay. So here I'm back at week 1. And if I go to the Introduce Yourself VoiceThread presentation, which everybody was supposed to submit a VoiceThread presentation that introduced yourself to the class. I want everybody to view it. I've commented on most of yours. If I didn't, I do apologize. I'm going to try to finish the commenting today, but I did put everybody a grade in. That way, those of you who didn't get it submitted the correct way, which I'm fixing to show you, would know if you did or didn't. So if you look on, so if you click on this, if you don't have a grade or you have a grade of, if you don't have a grade of 100 in there, then that means your VoiceThread did not submit. So you need to go back on that link, which is what I just clicked. You may have already clicked your presentation. So here's mine, Dr. Colson's presentation. And that's not all that you need to do. You need to actually, I'm going to share mine with the class, and then I'm going to click Submit Assignment. Once my assignment is submitted, then I can go in there and grade that. Now this week, so then you would actually go back in to view each other's VoiceThreads, and you may go into there and see yours, and that's true. You can probably see it in here, but unless you have actually hit Submit Assignment, that blue Submit Assignment, I cannot put a grade on it. So make sure you go in and put a grade on there. You'll see the ones that have the yellow. That means I've been able to put a comment on there. Those of you that don't, I'm sorry, I will get to that. So now you can see mine and you can listen to mine. And so that is all about that. Now let's kind of talk about what we're going to be doing this week. You guys did a great job. Give me a couple of days and I'll have everything graded. Your Iris modules graded and commented on your VoiceThreads. But like I said, I just want to make sure everybody's got the hang of that submit assignment. This week you're going to be doing the same thing. You're going to be making a phonemes test, and you're going to have to make a VoiceThread just like you did earlier. And you'll submit it the same way. So that's want to make sure everybody's got that down before they actually submit this next assignment. This next assignment, if you don't submit it, you're not going to get credit. So make sure that you actually go in there and submit. So if we look at your weekly modules, we are in week 2. We are pushing through this pretty quick, guys. So here's your week 2. Make sure you watch this video on the introduction. It also goes over your phoneme test. This huge piece here is going to be the big piece on exactly what you're tested over. That gives you instruction on how to correctly say those phonemes and blends. You're going to make that a PowerPoint. And listen, put more than one letter on a PowerPoint. It makes it easier for you guys, and it's easier for me when I go through and grade those. So put 4 or 5 on there. And go through that. You also see the rubric and what's going to be tested. The actual instructions are there. So you're going to go in there and click and create that voice. So you can go ahead and do your PowerPoint prior, or you can create your PowerPoint there. So just like you did in the introduction. And then you've got, there's a video for you to watch about print for 0 to 3-year-olds and that early stages, and then also an Iris module on using the PALS method for kindergarten and 1st grade. And then you've got your chapter 2 quiz. Remember, all of this is due on Sunday night. And like I said, you did a great job last week. Just make sure you go in there, and those of you that didn't actually get, there was, I know 6 or 7 of you that did not actually probably hit the blue submit assignment, but I can see that you did the VoiceThread. You just need to go back in there and hit that blue submit assignment. All right, I hope you have a great week. Let me know if you've got any questions, and we'll talk soon. Bye.